Breakfast is ready. I ordered a special organic farm salad. It is very healthy.
Honey, what is that? It looks very sad. Where is the real food?
I paid $30 for this. The menu said it was magic.
$30 for leaves and 2 tiny tomatoes. That is a robbery.
Look at my phone. My dad just sent a video.
Hello, city family. Look at my giant pumpkin. The farm is full of food.
Dad, we just bought a terrible salad. We are starving.
Then come to the farm. Grandma is making a huge meat stew.
Meat stew? I want to go. Throw this sad salad in the trash, William.
Pack your bags, team. We are leaving now.
We are here. Wow, the air smells so good.
Welcome to the farm. Bruno is just excited to see his city friends.
Hi, Dad. It is so good to see real nature.
Stop, Bruno! That tickles! He is so big, like a fluffy bear.
Hello, small humans. Let's play. Let's run.
Keep your wet, dirty nose away from my clean fur, beast.
Come inside, Eileen. You can rest. William, put your boots on.
Yes, we need vegetables for lunch. I will show you the garden.
This is our farm supermarket. Everything is fresh.
Grandpa, are those green apples on that tall plant?
No, Henry. Those are unripe tomatoes. They grow above the ground.
Wait until they turn bright red. Then they are ready.
Grandpa, why do you grow plain grass?
Watch this, Rose. It is magic.
Wow! A carrot! It was hiding!
Carrots and potatoes grow under the dirt. We have to pull them out.
Okay, Dad. What do you need for the lunch stew? We need 1 giant radish.
Show me your city muscles, William.
Stand back, everyone. I will pull the biggest one. Wow, it is completely stuck. The dirt is very hard. Use your legs, William. Pull harder.
I will help you, Dad. Hold my hand. Me too. 1, 2, 3. Pull.
It is moving. Keep going.
Mud! I am dirty!
Look at this monster radish. It is the size of a bowling ball. Excellent job. Now you look like real farmers.
Hold it tight, Dad. I will wash the mud off. It is so white and clean now.
Here is the hot farm stew and fresh homemade bread. Eat up.
Thank you, Mom. It smells incredible. Oh, wow. The vegetables are so sweet and soft.
This is exactly what we needed. Much better than the sad $30 leaves.
Because you worked hard to pull it out of the ground.
I like farm food. My tummy is happy.
Save some room. We are making a fresh apple pie for dinner.
What do we need for the pie?
Eggs and apples. Let's get to work.
Getting eggs is easy.
I will be right back. Hello, chicken. Please stand up. I need 3 eggs.
Okay, I will just reach under you slowly. Ouch! She bit me! She is crazy! She is the boss hen, William. She protects her nest. Use your brain.
Defeated by a bird. The human race is declining rapidly.
I know how to do it, Dad. Watch me.
Be careful, Rose. She is very angry.
Here, Chicky! Look at this yummy corn.
It worked! She left the eggs!
1, 2, 3. Here are your eggs, Dad.
Wow. You used food to distract her. Very smart, Rose.
The little girl is smarter than the city boy.
Okay, let's give these to Grandma.
For the BBQ, we need grilled sweet corn. But they are wearing jackets.
Corn has jackets? You mean the green leaves?
Yes, we call it shucking the corn. Pull the leaves down.
It has funny yellow hair. It tickles.
That is corn silk, Rose. Pull it off so it is perfectly clean.
This is relaxing. Working together on the porch. Put the clean corn in the bowl. Now, we need apples.
Look at these apples on the low branch. They are ruined. Someone took a bite out of every single one. A wild animal?
Look! It is Bruno! He is eating them!
Bruno! You are the apple thief! Bad boy. Apples are delicious, crunchy balls. I love them!
0 table manners. He is an embarrassment to animals.
The good apples are at the top. I need the tall ladder.
Okay, I am high up. I see perfect red apples here.
Hold the basket carefully, William. Do not look down.
Popcorn, no! Watch the ladder!
Woo! Help! I am falling!
Hold on, William! I got the ladder!
Oh no, the apples! Bruno is eating them!
Raining crunchy balls. Best day ever.
Bruno, stop! Okay, I have 5 good ones in the basket, coming down. Thank goodness. Let's go make the pie.
Smell that smoke? That is the secret to perfect barbecue ribs.
This looks incredible. I am starving from all the farm work.
The sweet corn is so yummy, Grandpa!
You know why it tastes so good? Because we worked hard for it.
Food from the earth is always better than fast food.
Make room. Here is the warm apple pie. Thanks to Rose and William.
I survived a crazy chicken and a tall ladder for this pie. This roasted meat is acceptable. I will allow them to pet me.
Take all these tomatoes, pumpkins, and eggs. Your trunk is full.
Thank you so much, Dad. This is real wealth.
Please do not spend $30 on sad yellow leaves ever again.
I promise, Grandma. Never again.
Grandpa! Bye, Grandma! Bye, Bruno! Don't eat all the apples!
Goodbye, farm. I am taking some dirt home on my paws.
What a great day. Time to go home.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time.